welcome back to my channel. And I have a new toy. It's the biggest toy ever. It's the Play-Doh. Look at that. Did you see it? Let's try it out. No. Open this box like that. Oh my, look at those little lines. So look at that. Let's try it out. Some purple Play-Doh and some yellow Play-Doh. And orange Play-Doh. And some blue Play-Doh, my favorite color. So, this is the chair of the people. And I have a people here called Red Stick. Look, yeah, have a party time. Now, look at the blue. So, this is the alien. So funny. Oh my god! I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 arms. What is this? It was a nightmare? And I have a scissor here. Do you want a haircut? It's just pretend, so how about this one? It's a comb hair. So, and this is the, look at this. I don't know what it is. So, let's go get started. Let's put here before we watch the show. Anyways, let's start the purple one because So, anyways, I will pick purple Play-Doh. Purple Play-Doh, my favorite. Purple Play-Doh, my favorite. Put here, so some squishy clay.
Yeah.
Put in here, and let's put like this one, and this one funky tomato, this one, and a little this one. So let's push it in and put this here, and this is the bottom. So anyways, let's go put over right here.
Come on.
So what's this? Turn up. Hey, what are you doing? Hey. Just a little help. So let's take a moment. So that's right.
Few moments later.
And look at her. It's hello. Look at this. I'm a girl. I'm an evil girl. Ha ha ha. Because my hairstyle is green. Maybe green or maybe. Anyways. So look at this one. Hello, my name is Mr. Blue. you see that? That purple thing? Yeah? That's it. Hey, her tail! And look at her. Hey, I cannot see! My hair is long! And this is purple. Purple, purple, purple hair. Now, the next. Oh my goodness. Ah, look at me. I am a orange alien. Upside down. So let's cut it. Let's cut. My favorite. My cutting and cutting and cutting. Oh, look at that. Cutting. Look at the hair that I made. Cut. Everybody knows it's me. Fashioner. Me. Let's go cut in the hairstyle. Let's go cut in the hairstyle. Do you want that, guys? Yeah, so funny. Weird thing. Look at this.
No, sir.
Oh my goodness. I like this one. Cutting. What? It's wormy. I didn't mean to just say cut. See? Cut. There we go. Look at the hair that I made for you guys. Okay, next. The purple one. Don't be scared. Okay. Now let's put it over this one. This one is the purple hair. So let's go upside down. Upside down is my favorite. Hello. So, see more hair over here. Did you see? Yeah? Good. Bob. Maybe I will use this one because it's my favorite color. Purple and pink. Cut. There we go. Ooh, thank you so much. How about the stylish one? This one. Oh, I don't want to cut my hair. I'm gonna cut you. I'm a monster. Oh my goodness. Look at this that I made for you, bro. Yeah. Bye-bye, you silly hair. Punch. Get out. My hair's nice. Look at that. There's so many hairs. Oh, I made a mess. It's okay. We'll clean it up later. So look at the bluey blue raspberry. Like that. Cut. Oh my goodness. What's happening? Oh my, did you see some more hair over there? Yeah! So many hair on the ground. Sorry. I never mean to. Okay, we'll clean up later. Let's smash. Okay, look at her now. You got me to clean like this now. So, look at that box over here. Look closely. Look at the Play-Doh. So many hairstyles to collect. And look at the matches. La 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 la. Like that. And the purple one. Let's go clean the purple one. Let's go clean the purple one. Just a little bit more, so. Anyways, it's okay. Just take a mask. And look at the purple one. The purple one. Oh, look! Hello, I'm purple. La 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 la. And the orange one is my favorite. Hello, I'm orange. Like orange. Even the purple. Oh, there's some grapes. So blue look like blueberries. Blueberry. Starting with the hair. Hello, my name is Blueberry. Hey. I'm sorry. Hello, I'm cheerful. It's yellow. I'm the cheerful. Oh, and look at that beauty chair. Beauty chair. So that's it for our video. So don't forget the scissors that we made and even this one. I don't know that. Let me know in the comments. Just check it out on YouTube. So that's it for our video. Thank you guys for watching. Because click the bell and subscribe me. So bye bye.